Om Swastiastu. Okay, first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Ketut Septia Putri. Here I will make a video presentation of my research proposal entitled Improving Student Speaking Skill Using Elsa Speak for 7th grade at SMPN Subangli. In this first chapter, there is introduction. The second one is background of the research. They sometimes need to practice to understand what they are hearing. Elsa Speak is one media to improve the speaking skill. Based on observation conduct the research found that the skill of the student class 7 at SMPN Subangli, such as the lack in speaking skill, is the material only read of the books that more fast, not clearly, unfamiliar words made the student difficult when they speak. The research was interested to conduct this research to solve the problem as mentioned above. The research that will be conducted entitled Improving Student Speaking Skill Using Elsa Speak for 7th grade at SMPN Subangli. Okay, next research question. Based on the background of the research question as follows: how to improve student speaking skill using Elsa Speak for 7th grade at SMPN Subangli. Research objectives. Based on the formulation of the problem above, objectives of the research as follows: to find about the step improving student speaking skill using Elsa Speak for 7th grade at SMPN Subangli. Research significance. Theoretical significance. Theoretically, the finding of the present research can be used to add new theory and to develop the knowledge of teaching speaking using Elsa Speak. Furthermore, the research can be used the theory as reference in teaching speaking to improve speaking skill of 7th grade at student of SMPN Subangli. Practical significance. The findings of this research are expected to be useful to teaching English as student, teacher, and other research. Chapter 2, Literature Review. The first one is Theoretical Review. Theoretical review is a review of the related theories that shape the study. The research must conduct with the relevant theories, and the explanation about the theories must be clear to avoid misunderstanding or confusion of the readers. The present research is based on the following theoretical framework. The first, speaking skill, and the second one is Elsa Speak. Speaking skill. Speaking skills are a critical component of language learning, as they enable learners to express themselves verbally and communicate effectively. Incorporating technology into language learning for 7th graders has shown positive results in recent studies. A study by Nguyen and Pham 2022 on the impact of mobile-assisted language learning tools for young learners revealed that these tools not only increase excitement but also address individual learning needs. Okay, next, definition of Elsa Speak. With the use of state-of-the-art speech recognition technology and creative teaching techniques, Elsa Speak gives students individual feedback and specially designed activities, giving them a rare chance to improve their fluency and pronunciation. Impact of AI in language learning. Another significant benefit of AI in language learning is the excitement of motivation and learners' autonomy. AI-powered applications allow learners to practice language skills at their own pace, often outside the traditional classroom setting, which increase excitement and reduce learning anxiety. Okay, this is my conceptual framework. Speaking. Definition of speaking, type of speaking, and states of speaking. Difficult of speaking, significance of speaking, Elsa speak, speaking test, interview the student difficult of speaking, classroom action research, research method, research setting, research procedure, data collection, data analysis, and action. Hypothesis. Based on the conceptual framework that the research provides above, the research establishes the following hypothesis. Elsa Speak as media implementation was be able to increase the speaking skill of 7th grade student at SMPN Subangli. Chapter 3. Research Method. The first one is research design. The research design uses classroom action research as the research will relate to problem-solved material, and the main objective will to promote student learning and improve speaking skill. This plan is more effective and provide greater flexibility of the situation. The second one, planning, implementing, observing, reflecting. And the cycle 2, planning, implementing, observing, reflecting. Next, research setting. The first one is place. This research is conducted at SMPN Subangli, which is located in Jalan Nusantara, Kubu, Kabupaten Bangli. There are several facilities at SMPN Subangli that support teaching learning process. Classroom size is medium, used by class 7B. The classroom was equipped with a speaker and audience and a whiteboard in the class. And the second one is time. This research will conducted at the beginning of the second semester in the 7th grade. The research had started the class from January until July 2025 in semester. This classroom action research will do in class 7. This research will carried out in the 5 meeting. Research participant. The participant of this research will student of class 7B, 13 male and 17 female from class 7, and from interview with student conducted in January 2025, it will to know that students in class 7 have a problem of chronology in the English. They understand when the teacher used little English when discussing the material. Next, research procedure. Planning, action, observation, reflection. Research instrument. Interview sheet, speaking test. Data collection. Interview, speaking test, data analysis, qualitative data. The research can know the speaking skill of the student. The first step is to divide the total score of all students. Remarks, mean of the student score, total score of the student, number of the student. The next step was to find a minimum mastery criterion of the student by defining total score who passed the KKM by number of the student, then multiplied by 100%. Remarks, the class print takes total of student who passed the KKM, number of student.